So hello, hi everyone, welcome again. And in this video, I will share you after the client exam of Welocalize, what will be process. So many viewers are comment me and what will be how to submit text informations, how to find our jobs, how to do the job, and how to earn money after the completed like client exam, and then you will receive a mail for congratulations, you are passed the client exam. So step by step I will share my screen and guide you. So please, if you not yet subscribe my channel, subscribe and like this video and hype this video. So I will provide step by step solution. So please hype this video. So let's get started. So guys, when you applying for Welocalize, then you secondly give test and crack the assessment of client exam. Then the next step what will be I will share in this video. So first you go to ongoing jobs, like job section, so all the current jobs you have applied, like for the have been accepted to work on, you will be see full list of your current active job, their status and application date. Yes, then before starting the completely job, you have to complete your profile. If you not profile your complete, then you are not able to do this job. Firstly, you have to submit your financial, especially financial information required in the financial detail. Just to click financial detail, then sub- submit all details, like account information, document, certificate, learning assessment, additional. This all type of I will discuss with you step by step. And just before click financial information. Okay, so the financial information section where you will be enter your financial detail. Make sure your information here is accurate and up to date. Ensure that will be able to pay you on time. The section has three step like ID verification, tax verification, and financial verification. So first of talking about ID verification. ID verification, click the sex box and acknowledge that personal information will be processed through the third party verification. Verify identity. You need to as mobile using QR scanning capture and this chapter, like your ID mention is correct name, just follow them and complete ID verification. So tax verifications IDs is very important, and different country different follow. So guys, carefully submit this. If you are not take this seriously, it will be rejected. So please follow, like country residence, the country you currently resident in, this country where you billing address and tax ID are associated with. So please mention your country names and full detail etc. Billing name, like appear invoice, your name, like in ID your name, yeah, you have to 18 plus year, and your ID will be same of date of birth. Okay, so tax ID type of like VAT, NIN, SN, like European countries and non-European countries. In Indian citizens, like tax identification number is the PAN card. So mention the 10 digit PAN number, and also you have to ready to next you have to submit the PAN PDF or JPG. So here's and talking about national ID. National ID for Aadhaar card. Guys, if you are belong any others country like other than Indian, so I will provide you information what will be ID mention you have to in tax verification section. So please do comment for your countries. So I will provide you documents name. Last is the financial information. Please fill out the following information and submit financial information. In financial information, you have to when you submit your country, then click telephone numbers and full address after the country, your like pin codes, everything, cities, and after upload copy of the text id like accepted in pdf and jpg, like your pan card and your country's tax identification numbers. So in pdf you have to submit and confirm. After the complete and submit, the validation process may be take anywhere from half an hour to 2 day, like 30 minutes to almost 2 day take for verification. You will receive an email once it's complete where the validation is the complete. You will be promoted to more the next step. When I think you receive a mail mostly in 2 hour, it's everything is the submit you step by step. Still you not know how to submit, was comment I will make again. I hope this you understand, like where you country you belong. So in different country different document as required, like tax identification numbers and national identification. So both documents are required during the submit financial information. So both you submit, then you receive mail after 1 hour and within a 2 day. So next step will be account informations. In account informations, from where you will be able to edit the basic informations and attach your account. You can edit your first and last name, send email address associated with the account, and send your password. A profile name, it's why it's edit, because when you apply, then you keep your names, it's extra your nickname, but here the name is recovered as per your document, like as per your tax identification name recovered. Though please go to, if different, please go to profile section and then edit it. And here you can send your password, send verification code. After verification, enter code, then new password, then confirm new password and submit. Your password will be sent. And also you can delete your account permanently, then account will be deleted below option. And then if you future in apply, then you have to follow our steps again. So here the documentations here you will localize NDA, POA structure you can download. The document section, your profile is where you can review all the document you have uploaded or signed while working with Welocalize. This where you can find the latest NDA, SLA agreement you have signed as well. Your screen document by name. If you click download icon at the far right the screen, you can download and review. Talking about certificate, okay, so certificates like a page where you will find all certificate you have earned by passing various assessment course during the applying the job. The certificate unlock new job opportunity for you. Once certificate is earned, you will be able to apply jobs anywhere. This certificate is work for any kind of job online platform. So please download the certificates. It will be help for your future. So next step, learning step, and the assessments section here shows you have completed the assessments. And the last, it's the additional data page where you can find out additional data about yourself. This information is used the better match job opportunity with your profile have been high recommend you keep it up to date. For example, uh, letting us know if you are access the smartphone can unlock the opportunity where it's recovered, like currently working, then no. Do you have laptop, then yes. So that it is easy, high chances to recommend job. So this is the step by step I provide the solution. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please may subscribe and like this video. And also I will help your comment box any kind of text related issue. So please hype this video. uh, Click on the comment box right arrow, then hype. So I will provide your all informations regarding this. Thank you so much guys, have a nice day.